My name is Jeff Woodson. I'm the VP of Revenue Operations at CURIS System. We are manufacturers and providers of biodecontamination equipment and solutions, and our mission is to make biodecontamination safer and easier for pharmaceutical manufacturers, research laboratories, and healthcare providers so that they can focus on their life-saving and life-enhancing work without disruption from contamination or high concentration, high consequence chemicals. When customers are evaluating different decontamination systems on the market, there's a few things that makes Curis really stand out. The first is the safety and ease of use of our product. Our patented technology allows us to be able to achieve the same level of kill as the high concentration, high consequence chemicals while using only a 7% hydrogen peroxide. And then the other aspect that many customers are happy with from our organization as compared to the competition is the level of support and training that they receive from our team. When they go with Curis, they know that they're going to have backing and support and that their technology will work the way that it's intended. At Curis, we do just about everything under one roof, from sales to marketing, manufacturing, research and development, accounting, order fulfillment. And as part of that, building a small business from the ground up with so many different departments, it's been extremely helpful for us to be able to lean on the Small Business Development Center to get the information that we need to know and learn in all of these areas that need to be at top performance. So when we learned about what SBDC offers, we were in the position where we were approached by a number of different customers and dealers overseas asking us to start exporting to their countries. And that was something that was brand new to us. We did not know how to do that, did not have the expertise in-house. And so being able to connect with the SBDC, take advantage of the export marketing plan that they offer and the consulting services that they offer was a huge help in getting us where we need to be able to export to where customers were already asking us to go. And then being able to evaluate, well, where else should we be looking at? What other places can we be exporting and selling our product? The export marketing plan was extremely helpful with that. And as we've grown and expanded around the world, being able to rely on SBDC and the different resources that they've been able to connect us with has been absolutely critical for us being able to successfully grow our business, especially abroad, but also domestic, in connecting us with local resources through local universities and other local partners that can help us source expert team members to help us grow our team. So I want to say that working with SBDC has been excellent and very surprising on our end. The level of support that we received, the level of care and investment into our business for absolutely no cost. Just we didn't think that it could be true. So we were a little bit skeptical at first, but after working with SBDC, we found that that's absolutely the case. And Jill and Steve and all the other team members that are always extremely responsive and knowledgeable and able to connect us or at least point us in the right direction of where we need to go to advance the ball forward with everything that we've asked so far. Since connecting with the SBDC, our export volume has increased by about 400%, and we're expecting it to grow even faster from there. So the resources have made a big impact on the company financials. We also were able to benefit from the STEP grant and take advantage of that to help us cover some of the costs associated with doing business in a brand new country that we hadn't done business in before. It helped us cover costs of travel and lodging to get over there and be able to meet with the clients and be able to steward our product and support our product, so that they were very happy with the installation and implementation of the product while we were there. I would highly recommend any entrepreneur or intrapreneur to reach out to the SBDC, because there's such a breadth of different services and support and knowledge that they can provide. And it's absolutely critical for an entrepreneur to get that kind of information, that kind of support. And there's so much you don't know what you don't know. We've been extremely lucky to have the support of SBDC to fill in those gaps of don't know what you don't know and point us in the right direction and set us up for success.